Hi guys, Clint here. Today we have a Rock Island Armory 1911 Compact Series handgun. I'm going to do a basic field strip and reassembly on this piece. First I will show you that the chamber is empty. There's no mag in it. Take your slide off. Pull your recoil spring guide rod out. The guide rod bushing has to come out of the slide. It can often be a tight fit, made that way, so it has to not have any play or anything. Barrel slides out. And this is a bushingless barrel 1911. This is a compact model. It's a little different than the full-size models that you'll see that actually have a barrel bushing too. Okay. That is the full field strip of the Rock Island Armory Compact 1911. Now I'm going to reassemble it, which is basically just the reversal of the disassemble process. Reassembly. Barrel goes into the slide. Make sure this little tab here is towards the back of the slide. Whoops. Need the barrel recoil spring bushing in place first. Recoil spring and guide rod in place. Kind of hold it in place before you try to reassemble the slide onto the frame, otherwise it will kind of want to pop out. Put the slide back on the frame. You have to get the pin lined up with that little tab with the hole in it. That's what actually holds this in place. And that can be a little difficult at times. There we go. Set it back up in place. Line up a little notch in the slide with the pin. Pop it in place. And there you go. Reassembly of the Rock Island Armory 1911 Compact.